Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: staying active and healthy as you age. As we grow older, it becomes even more crucial to prioritize our fitness and well-being. In this video, we'll be sharing some key points to help you stay fit and active throughout the years. But first, we would like to thank Seacoast Online for their informative article on this subject. If you'd like to read it, we've provided a link in the description below. Let's dive in. One of the fundamental aspects of staying healthy as we age is regular exercise. It not only helps maintain physical fitness but also boosts mental and emotional well-being. According to the article from Seacoast Online, exercise helps improve flexibility, balance, and overall strength. It can even reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Now that we understand the importance of exercise, let's explore some specific activities that can benefit us as we get older. The Seacoast Online article suggests a combination of aerobic exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Aerobic exercises, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, can improve cardiovascular health and increase endurance. These activities help keep your heart and lungs strong while also burning calories and maintaining a healthy weight. Strength training exercises, like lifting weights or using resistance bands, are essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. Strong muscles are crucial for supporting joints, preventing injuries, and maintaining overall strength and balance. Lastly, flexibility exercises such as yoga or stretching routines can help improve joint mobility, reduce muscle stiffness, and enhance overall flexibility. These exercises can be particularly beneficial for preventing falls and maintaining a good range of motion. Finding the time and motivation to exercise regularly can be a challenge, but it's crucial to make it a priority. The Seacoast Online article suggests incorporating physical activity into your daily routine. For example, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for a walk during your lunch break, or gardening can all contribute to an active lifestyle. It's also essential to listen to your body and choose activities that you enjoy. Engaging in activities that bring you joy will increase your chances of sticking to a regular exercise routine. Remember, staying active doesn't have to be a burden, it can be a fun and rewarding experience. Alongside exercise, maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for staying healthy as you age. The Seacoast Online article emphasizes the importance of a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These provide the necessary nutrients to support your overall health and well-being. Additionally, staying hydrated is essential, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Avoiding excessive sugar and processed foods is also recommended to maintain a healthy weight and prevent chronic diseases. To wrap up, staying active and healthy as you get older requires a combination of regular exercise and a balanced diet. The article from Seacoast Online provides a wealth of information on this topic, so be sure to check it out for more details. Remember, taking care of your health is a lifelong journey, and it's never too late to start. Start incorporating exercise into your daily routine, make healthy food choices, and prioritize your overall well-being. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay active and stay healthy.